Doosan Group has remapped the world through constant changes and innovations throughout its corporate history spanning over a century. It has been rising as proud global Doosan on the basis of 2G strategy, advocating growth of business through growth of people. In achieving Doosan Group's ultimate goal of raising the quality of human lives, Doosan Infracore has played the central role. Building your tomorrow today. The company which leads Doosan Group's global business expansion. The company which stirs up pride in all customers, employees, and stakeholders, and enhances its standing as a global equipment manufacturer based on its quality products and services living up to customer values. That is Doosan Infracore. Doosan Infracore consists of construction equipment BG equipped with a full lineup of products, ranging from compact to large-sized excavators, loaders, articulated dump trucks, and attachments. And Engine BG, manufacturing diesel engines for vehicles, factories, power generators, and vessels, as well as cutting-edge gas engines. With these BGs under its arm, the company is providing the world's best products and services. Doosan Infracore has numerous production facilities, sales subsidiaries, and research centers across the world, in addition to its large-scale dealer network. Under the cause of One Doosan, global talents work harmoniously at Doosan throughout the world and constitute the backbone of the company's competitiveness as a global machinery company. Doosan Infracore treasures every piece of feedback from our customers. Our R&D philosophy is to analyze new customer needs and global trends in order to present the world with new products and services that far surpass the requirements of global standards. Doosan Infracore's R&D centers work around the clock to develop new products that will satisfy customers' needs in a way that has never been attempted by its rivals. Most notably, Doosan Infracore serves its worldwide customers with an advanced global customer service system, highly praised for its quick response to customer requests anywhere and anytime.
斗山品牌我们使用起来整体中还算可以的，基本上斗山的服务员在所有机上还算是随传随到的，基本上只要有故障电话一打过去，马上就到位了，不会出现拖跟拉的现象。
Our Bobcat is the most useful and versatile piece of equipment we have on the farm. On any given day, it's a skip loader, a backhoe, or a forklift. It's so maneuverable we can use it in the orchard without damaging the trees.
두산 엔진의 장점은 정비하기 수월하고 오래 사용할 수 있고 연료도 적게 소모되니 일석삼조라고 할 수 있습니다.
Doosan Infracore takes an initiative for inclusive growth through its devotion to sustainable management in terms of its economic, social, and environmental impacts. Doosan Infracore fulfills its corporate social responsibility by engaging in philanthropic activities such as educational support, community involvement, and disaster relief. Doosan Infracore establishes a win-win partnership with its suppliers and places the top priority on environmental protection, safety, and health in its development of new technologies and products. While its external vision is to become one of the leading machinery companies, Doosan Infracore's internal vision lies in people and their growth. With its unrivaled passion and know-how for people and their growth, the company promotes a virtuous circle demonstrating growth of business through growth of people. By fulfilling its corporate social responsibilities and living the Doosan way that leads to a proud global Doosan, Doosan Infracore is making a better future for human beings. Building your tomorrow today. Doosan Infracore.